Hey YouTube and all my boondocking buddies, welcome back to Kathy's Camper Life. Hi everyone, welcome back. Hello my 210 subscribers, 210 subscribers. Hello everyone. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm blown away by the kindness and the wonderful comments. You know, I tell you, when I started YouTube, I heard how they can be trolls and this and that, and everybody can be mean. Everybody has been so nice, saying the nicest things. And thank y'all. I'm giving the love right back to you, you guys. I'm feeling the love and I'm sending it back to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I got a great video for you guys. I've got my generator going in the background. You can see how quiet it is. Got my camper up, my Honda Odyssey 2002 camper. And guys, just to give you a little bit of who I am, what's going on. My name is Kathy, and I am a 55-year-old single woman living her life to the best of my ability on the path of happiness and peace and love and just living life on my own terms. You know, that's what we're all trying to do. And so many inspiring women coming on my channel. You guys inspire me, and you give me so much energy to keep going and to follow my dreams. So I can get even a little emotional. Thank you so much. All right, let's check it out. So first, I want to show you my generator. I've done a video on my generator before, but got a lot of new subscribers, and I know you guys are wondering how I'm powering that beautiful AC back there. All right, let's check it out. Inverter generator. We are right up next to it, and you can see it is very, very quiet. Guys, these generators are $300. $300. Go to WEN, W-E-N. You can buy it straight from their site. They've been wonderful customer service for me, and they're really an awesome company. And you don't have to buy a Honda generator, $1,100, to have a great generator. I'm telling you, this thing is awesome. So let's take another look at it. Quiet. So what we're going to do is we're going to power the AC. When you power the AC, you turn the economy mode off. So let me get you down here. So the economy mode off. I've got my air conditioner plugged into one, and my TV and stuff plugged into the other. Okay, so then we're going to come into the van. It's a Frigidaire 5000 BTU air conditioner. So when you're powering this air conditioner, you know, it's only a 1200 watt generator. So this is how you do it. First, you go over to the low fan. You turn it on. You let that run for a second. Okay? And then you go over to the low cool. And you turn that on. And you let that run for a second. And then we're going to slowly turn the temperature to where it comes on. So we're going to slowly turn it. You're going to hear the generator surge. Go all the way up. Go all the way up to 7. So now we're on 7. Blowing nice and cool. And I don't know if you guys heard that, but that generator surged just a little bit. And that's all right. So right now she is running that air conditioner. Quiet. Awesome. But that is how you start it. Don't plug it in and turn it, you know, on low cool first. You go through your settings. Start the fan first. And then go to, like I showed you, then go to the low cool. And then turn it slowly on 7. So keep it on max, because what happens if you don't is you don't want that AC surging on and off. You just want it to run all the way, all the time, as much as you can, using those 500 watts around what it uses. If you have it on, you know, like 5 or 6, it'll get cool and then it'll shut down and then it'll surge back up. You just want it to run, put it on high. Now, this will run it on high cool. So it's been running on low cool for a minute. So now we're going to go back in here. But we're going to hit that high cool. Boom. High cool. It's not surging. The generator is not, it's not taxing at all. And I've got this television also hooked on to that generator, and it's on too with no problem. So now you've got your AC running on high, which I don't do that much because, you know, I like to take it easy on my Jenny, and I find that low does a pretty good job. So I'm gonna turn it on low while I do this video. And so yeah, we got it on low. And check this out. Y'all are gonna laugh at this. So y'all know my 1-year-old husky. Let me see you. Say hi. Hi. Hi, River. She's hanging out inside while I do the video. Isn't she beautiful? So when I go in the grocery store and things, you know, my husky's still 1 year old, so I don't want her chewing on my wires or anything, so check this out. I put a dog crate in the van, a dog crate, so she can, we have to go to the grocery store or whatever I need to do. I could even do some Uber or whatever I want to do. And she's in her house safe. Is that awesome? Is that awesome? And then the dog crate just comes out. I don't have to dismantle it. It comes right out. And I put it outside, and you know, I put the convertible bed over, and it's time for night-night. Isn't that awesome? I love that. All right. So, we've got the hitch riser, and it is perfect. All right, so another thing we're going to show you putting on the cargo carrier. All right, so this is the hitch riser. It is a high toe. It is a 7.5 inch rise. So I'm going to put you guys down and hopefully you can see me just fine. Yeah. All right. So you've got just your, just your 2 bring you up a little closer. How's that? Yeah, that's good. Alright, so you just got your 2 pins here. Alright. We're going to put it in the receiver. High toe, riser. It's a must-have. In it goes. Now we're going to put it on the first one. I have one of these that locks, and I'll be using that. So they can't just take off with my cargo carrier. And I know the generator's running in the back of this video, and that's, you know, for a reason. I want you guys to realize how quiet it is. We got to take that off so my AC can get some air. Alright, it's not real humid, so I doubt it'll even have much condensation. Okay, so we're in. It's in. Alright. Now I've got my cargo carrier here. And it helps if you get aluminum, it's light. Take your other pin. Stick it straight through there. Hang on, wrong one. The top one, Kathy. Put it on the top one. Alright, put it straight through there. I can put it on the other side. Put your pin in it. Done. And that's it. Let me give you a little view from back here. Cargo carrier. So that will have, it's gonna have my generator. It's gonna have another tote of the gasoline cans and oil and things like that. And then the last space is gonna be for the propane tank that runs my Mr. Buddy heater. So there it is. I might need a little shims. You can get little, I don't know what they're called. Sorry, they're little Hitch U-bolt looking things, and it'll stop it from going left or right, or you can just use a shim or something like that, just so you don't have the play. You can stop that play inside those receivers. And guys, you still have a whole nother toe right here. You know, you could put something on there. A lot of people tow and use this for a bike rack and different things. But let me give you a good view of that. This is a Max Haul aluminum cargo carrier. The weight capacity is 500 pounds. It is lightweight and has an aluminum construction. It has the reflectors. It has, so you can tie your some tie-off holes there, to use those to tie off your load. All right, come on over here. Check out, we're on the high toe riser with the Kurt Hitch. Super awesome. All right, guys, that's the setup right now. that Jeannie's running everything in my little camper. Check out that dog crate. Just endless what we can do inside this 2002 Honda Odyssey Campervan. Yes. Guys, thanks so much. I can't thank you enough for being a part of my life. I'm excited to have you along for the ride. May the sun light up your days and the stars light up your nights. Until next time, YouTube, take care.